Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do an unboxing video. I got a little surprise in the mail from Influenster. This is the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick Vox Box. The shade I got is Misfit. It's a really pretty red shade. I have swatched it, but I've not put it on, so we will do that in just a second. I wanted to share a little information that came in the card. Now these are all Studded Kiss cream lipsticks, are a formula that she's had for a while, but she took the entire line and reformulated it, and I think there's some new colors too. There are over 40 shades and they retail for $19 each. Introducing Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick, the first vegan, high pigment matte lipstick with crazy comfortable long wear. We'll see. I'm filming this on the 18th. They are already available on katvonDbeauty.com. They launch on Sephora's website tomorrow on the 19th and in freestanding Sephora stores in the US and Canada on the 26th. And it looks like internationally they'll be available in February. And then I'm going to give some info too on how I get these things without being on PR list. I am going to go ahead and line my lips. I want to use something pretty neutral that's not going to alter the shade. This is Boldly Bare by MAC. I don't wear reds that often. I wish I would have gotten one that was a little more neutral because I know she sent out all kinds of shades, but I'm not going to complain about something that's free. So again, this is the shade Misfit. I love the packaging. It's the Studded Kiss and the entire tube is studded. I do have in the old formula like a trial size, so you can kind of see the difference. This is the travel size and this is the full size. Here it is. Swatched. Let's see what it looks like on. That's really, really pretty. I like it, and it does feel really nice. I'll leave it on for the rest of the video to see if that changes up. But it did go on pretty easily. I had to, it definitely wasn't one of those one swipe and go kind of formulas, but no big deal. I didn't have to play with it too much. So I want to talk a little bit about Influenster and how I get free things. So there is a website, influenster.com. There is also an app. Basically the concept is you get an invitation, you sign up. I'll put my link down below if anybody wants to sign up. Okay, so you'll go to the website or the app and they have all kinds of different categories. They have pet categories, they have home categories, they have fashion and beauty and all kinds of things, right? And you will, within whatever category, do reviews on products that you've already used. You also link your other social media accounts such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. If you have a blog, you can link that. And depending on your following and the amount of friends you have, essentially the people that you're friends with or the people that follow you are your audience. So the larger your audience, the larger your impact, right? So my impact right now is 3,280. That's really like not much compared to other people that have an insane following. Occasionally, after you get in and you've done some reviews, they will send you an email to complete a survey. Based on your answers in the survey, they will determine whether you are a good fit to review the product. You do not know what the product is whenever you take the survey, so honestly, your best bet is to not try to trick the system to get free stuff. Just answer honestly. Some things I've qualified for. Most things that I've taken the survey for, I've qualified. But occasionally you will say, sorry, you're just not a good fit, you know. Sorry about you, keep trying kind of thing. If they determine that you are a good fit, You will then fill out your address and all this stuff, and you have to agree to review the product. When you talk about the product, you have to disclose that you were sent the product for free with no monetary compensation. So, such as this lipstick. I was sent the lipstick in exchange for my honest opinion. No money changed hands. I am not being paid to review this. I just received the lipstick, and that's it. Now, I have received all kinds of different things. My very first Voxbox was a Mary Kay setup. I had like a cream eyeshadow, a brush, mascara, a lipstick, and a mascara primer. So that was a really awesome one. They've sent me all kinds of things from like, I think the most random one I ever got was dish detergent, which was real cool because I was out whenever they sent it to me. So, hey, it's a really awesome website. What I like about it is I'm not really big on social media. You know, I'm trying. I have my YouTube channel, but in order to be on like brands PR lists, your outreach, your audience has to be pretty significant before they'll reach out to you and send you things. Most of the time, your channel has to have like a certain following or whatever, or your Instagram has to have a certain following. What's cool about Influenster is you can be the everyday kind of girl or guy and get free things. That's really awesome. Just in exchange for your opinion. You don't have to do anything. Just use it and tell people what you think about it. There are also challenges whenever you do qualify for a Voxbox. One of the challenges will be like, post a picture to Instagram of you wearing the product and hashtag it this. It may be like, join a live feed on Twitter. Engage in conversation with other people that got this, you know, the same box. At the end of every challenge, you'll have to submit like a final review. They'll send you an email and you'll have to submit a final review on your thoughts of the product. So it's a really cool program. Again, I will post my link down below if you want to sign up. They've sent out some really awesome things. Some of my friends have gotten really awesome things like Makeup Forever Foundation, Marc Jacobs Foundation. One of my friends received a GHD flat iron. I'm jealous. I've never gotten anything that awesome. I'm really liking this formula. It's still very comfortable. Granted, I haven't had it on very long, but I really like it, and I will wear it the rest of the evening and post my final thoughts on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, my link is down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and I hope you sign up. Get yourself some free things because it's awesome. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.